Good morning, everybody. It's an e-learning kind of a day. You're going to be working through a BrainPOP focusing on climate change today. What you're going to need to do is, and you may already be doing this, some of you I know take the long way, but I'm just going to show you how to simultaneously have BrainPOP up on your screen and the word doc. And then later in this video clip, I'm going to give you a couple of directions when you get to the second word doc for the day. So don't go away yet. So here you're going to need to go ahead and have your BrainPOP launched. Once you have your BrainPOP launched, minimize this screen. If you haven't already, open the Word doc. This is for note-taking on the BrainPOP climate change. You're going to want to minimize this as well. So as you see here, there is a space between the BrainPOP and the Word doc. This way, they will both be displayed at all times. You can adjust the sizes for your likings. You just need to leave a space here between the two. You will want to have your BrainPOP. You'll want to select the closed captioning so that you can see how to spell the words that you're going to need to insert into your notes. Okay, so that's the first part. After that, you can go ahead and maximize your screen again because you will not need to be going back and forth. For the second Word doc that you have open, it is a graph and it is a T-chart on climate change. I need to delete these circles that I inserted. Just a moment here. Okay, so here you can see it says view. If you control and click, it's going to take you to some data that you're going to plot on this graph. Now, to do so, you're going to need to go to, where is the top of my, why? Pardon me, folks, I'm looking for the top of my, there we go. You're going to need to go to Insert Shapes, and you're just going to pick a rectangle or square because you're going to be making a bar graph. So with that, you'll go above said dates, and you'll just simply insert a bar above the said month and year or date as provided on the data. When you get finished with your bar graph, you have some text boxes here where you will respond to 3 questions analyzing the data that you have plotted. Next, you're going to scroll down to the second page and there is a T-chart that you will complete. Once you have the T-chart and the graph completed, the 2 of these will be delivered to Canvas. Have a great day of learning, everybody.